Most people are using AI in the worst possible way. They open ChatGPT, ask it to write their emails, summarize their books, and solve their problems. It feels productive. But something dangerous is happening. Every time you outsource your thinking, your brain gets weaker. You're slowly training AI to become your replacement. And the tragic part? AI could actually make you dangerously intelligent if you used it the right way. The top 1% already know how. And today, I'm going to show you the 4-step system they use to get smarter, faster with AI.
Intelligent laziness. Let me start with a strange observation. A study in Harvard Business Review found that CEOs spend 72% of their time in meetings that accomplish almost nothing. You've experienced this too. A meeting scheduled for 1 hour, that should have taken 15 minutes. But nobody stops it. Why? Because of something psychologists call completion bias. Your brain gets a small dopamine reward every time you finish something, so your brain treats all tasks as equal. Replying to an internal email or designing a $1 million strategy, same dopamine, same reward. So everything feels important, which means nothing actually is. The 2 curves. Think of your work as 2 curves. Curve 1, capped payoff. These tasks improve, but only to a point. Examples: formatting slides, internal emails expense, reports routine meetings. After a certain point, extra effort changes nothing. Nobody cares if your slide fonts are perfect. This is your zone of intelligent laziness. A Nobel Prize-winning economist named Herbert Simon called this principle satisficing. Stop when something is good enough. Curve 2, uncapped payoff. The second curve is completely different. These are tasks where small improvements create massive results. Examples: product design, pricing strategy, hiring the right co-founder, understanding customers. Steve Jobs understood this. Apple's designers obsessed over even the internal components of the iPhone, not because customers would see them, but because excellence compounds. This is your zone of obsession, where AI comes. In the top 1% use AI to automate curve 1, so they can focus on curve 2, and they follow one simple framework, the DRAG framework. 4 types of work you should immediately give to AI. DI, drafting. Starting from 0 is the hardest step. AI is excellent at creating a rough first draft. Emails, presentations, code, ideas. The draft will be terrible, but that's perfect, because now your brain has something to improve. R, research. AI can scan hundreds of sources in minutes. What used to take a week of research now takes 10 minutes. Competitive analysis. Industry summaries, market trends. Let AI do the digging. A, analysis. AI is incredibly good at detecting patterns. Give it messy data. Ask it to summarize, find insights, then verify its reasoning. G, grunt. Word translation, formatting, cleaning data, tabulating information, all the boring mechanical work. AI should do it, not you. When you apply DRAG correctly, you free 70–80% of your time, and you can spend it where humans still dominate: judgment, taste, creativity, decisions. The intelligent hill. Now here's the second mistake people make with AI. They treat it like a calculator. Ask a question, get an answer, move on. But AI doesn't work like a calculator. It's not deterministic. It's a probability engine. Ask the same question twice. You'll often get 2 different answers. So the quality of your thinking depends on how you ask questions. Think of this as climbing the intelligent hill. Camp 1, one shot. Give the AI one example. Example: write a LinkedIn post about remote work. Use this post as a style guide. Already better than guessing. Camp 2, few shot. Now give multiple examples. Your past presentations, your writing, your documents. Now AI learns patterns, tone, structure, voice. Camp 3, chain of thought force, AI to explain its reasoning. Example, think step by step, show your reasoning before answering. This dramatically improves accuracy. Camp 4, agents now. AI becomes a team, researcher, analyst, writer, all working together. But remember something important. AI is like a drunk genius, brilliant but unpredictable. So you must drive the car, the intelligent gym. But here's where most people stop. They use AI to remove friction. The top 1% do something different. Sometimes they add friction back, because intelligence grows through resistance. Think about a gym. Muscles grow by lifting heavier weight. But when people use AI, they do the opposite. They remove all thinking. Write this, summarize this, explain this. That's like going to the gym and asking someone else to lift the weights. AI should not be a wheelchair for the mind. It should be a spotter. Example, instead of asking AI to explain something, study it first, then ask, quiz me on this concept. Level 1, high school questions. Level 2, college questions. Level 3, executive interview. Level 4, hostile cross-examination. Now, AI becomes your mental trainer, the intelligent fool. The final step might be the most powerful. The biggest obstacle to intelligence is ego. The smartest people constantly admit, I don't know. When Satya Nadella became CEO of Microsoft, the company had missed huge opportunities. Mobile, search, cloud. The culture was toxic. Nobody wanted to admit they were wrong. So Nadella made one cultural shift. Microsoft would move from a culture of know-it-alls to learn-it-alls. The result? Microsoft's market value grew from $300 billion to over $3 trillion, 10 times bigger. Because learning begins when pretending stops.
AI has just created the greatest learning machine in human history. You can ask questions without embarrassment, explore ideas without judgment, learn faster than any generation before, but only if you use it to train your mind, not replace it. Because the real power of intelligence isn't knowing everything. It's having the courage to keep learning. And if you enjoyed this video, subscribe, because in the next one, I'll show you how to use AI to build a business from scratch.